doing it? Ah! Oh, someone's rugby just fell. Oh no, the scene's stuck. Try white cat. Ah! Ah! I hope I didn't kill people. Come on, guys, let's go. My daughter! You're Raspberry. Mama! Yeah, what's the situation? Come on, guys, over here. Sweetie, sweetie. You alright? That was scary. Mommy, I didn't like that. I know, sweetie, we shouldn't crash again. We shouldn't. But that's good. It's gonna be left enough soon. Are you okay, sir? Sir. He's dead. Ah! You're crushing my husband. Ah! At least I'm alive. Guys, get out and I'll go get the others. The chicken guy's dead. Ah! The plane's breaking! It's broken! It's broken! You don't know how to say it, don't you? It's breaking! I know. Oh no! This is a decent attempt. Mommy! Mommy! I don't know. Stop that. No one's on here. Ow! Are you alright? Did you fall out? No, you didn't. Ah, they're fighting me! The thing's broken. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get everyone in. Is he dead? Yes. Oh no, we need another person to be the ticket. He's dead. Oh no. We need a different ticket